Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, this is a video briefing on assignment 1 and 2 for ISH403 Halal Food Process Ingredients and Processing. Right, so if you have already looked into the video for briefing assignment 1 and 2 for ISH402, it is actually I won't say that it's same, but generally the structure will be the same. Okay, where for assignment 1, you have to do in groups, okay, in which we have already formed. I think grouping for 402 and 403 is the same. Okay, the difference is just that the title for your topic assignment is different from ISH 402. Okay, for assignment 1, you have to do in groups and you have to produce a report, a written report. And for each group, you have been assigned to different food ingredients. Okay, um, which we will look at that ingredients later on. Okay, and if I'm not mistaken, there are groups that have to do on enzymes in food industry, gelatin in food industry, and also alcohol in halal food industry. Okay, so for every ingredient that have been assigned to each group, okay, for the particularly the content, what you have to put into your assignment is number one is the detail on the ingredients, okay, about the origin, the property, the function, and uses in food products. Okay, so maybe for example for gelatin, okay, so where do gelatin comes from? Okay, is there any halal source, haram source of gelatin? And then how about the properties? Properties maybe in terms of the physical property, is it in powder form or in liquid form, in solid form? Okay. And then uses in food industry. So what is the function or use of gelatin in food industry, for example? Okay. And then the process involved to produce the particular ingredient. For example, gelatin. Uh, what is the processing? How do gelatin produced? And then you might also find more information on Malaysian standard or in the manual procedure MPPHM or fatwa regarding the use of that particular ingredient in halal food. Okay, and then number 3 is current halal issue emerge pertaining to the topic or ingredient assigned. Okay, so maybe you may find in the internet. Okay, is there any um, issue regarding halal issue regarding that particular ingredients? For example, maybe there are food products that was found using non-halal gelatin in their products, but they claim as halal. So you might find information on that. Okay. And then the same goes to alcohol and also for enzyme. Okay, enzyme also can. There are halal and haram sources for enzyme as well as alcohol. Alcohol, there are limits that is permitted to be used in halal food production. Okay, so the structure of your report the same. You have to start with the cover page, which I will provide. At the cover page, you just have to insert in your name, your metric number, and also your the title. And then the table of content means that your report must contain page number. And then for the introduction, so maybe you want to introduce a little bit on the ingredients that have been assigned to you. Okay. Um, And then at the end of the introduction part, please put in the objective. Okay, objective of the of the objective of the report. Okay, to for example, this report will discuss on number one, the detail of uh, the origin, the property and function and use of gelatin in food industry, for example. Number two, to examine the process involved to produce the gelatin. And then number three, the current halal issues in which pertaining gelatin in halal food industry, for example. Okay. And then for the content, so refer to point number two, uh, detail, process, and the current halal issue. Okay, last one is the conclusion. So conclude what you have figured out throughout this assignment. Conclude back maybe in one or two paragraph is enough, and recommendation if any. Okay, as for references, if you find references from journal or books or websites, please make citation and please use the APA style. Okay, so make sure the majority of your references must be latest 5 years from now, and then appendix if any, and rubric as attached. Okay, please put the rubric at the end of your report. Okay, so the format same as ISH402, Arial font size 11, spacing 1.5, and then justified and use APE style. Okay, for original, same the same instruction. Okay, please send the final report to my original address, and the result will must be less than 30%. Okay, but you won't know the result of the original. Okay, but somehow if let's say your report consists of produce more than 30% of plagiarism, then I will contact the group representative, okay, for correction. Okay, rename the document to ISH403 Assignment 1 Group X, and please convert to PDF. And same deadline I set with 402, which on the 20th of May 2023 before 11:55 p.m. Okay, so this is the grouping for ISH403 assignment. Group 1, Ali, Ikmal, Afiq and Rafi'i. Your title is Jaltin in Halal Industry. Group 2, Shahrul Alam, Khawlah, Farhan and Siti Munira. Your title is Enzyme in Halal Industry. Then group 3, Amir, Irham, Aminuddin and Ilham. Your title is Alcohol in Halal Industry. Okay. So if you have any question regarding the topic, you can ask me WhatsApp or in the comment section. Okay, so the rubric is basically the same. The criteria involved is the introduction, the idea, arrangement, the analysis and discussion. So this is the content part. Okay, and then the conclusion, ethics and professionalism. So this one, I will look at your format, and then the last one is the reference. Okay, so for plagiarism check, same as for 02, only the group representative need to submit to my original address and use your student's email. Okay. Right, so this one is also the same. The content, the subject for the email, please put in ISH403, assignment 1, topic, or group 1, 2, or 3. Okay, and don't forget to attach your assignment. And please submit the final form of your report. Okay, okay, so as for the presentation for assignment 2, uh, same instruction, you have to produce a video presentation, and please make sure the video is not exceeding 20 minutes, and every team member need to produce your own video. So maybe you want to film to record yourself separately, but then at the end please combine to one final video presentation. Okay, and for this assignment, you have to produce a presentation material. Okay, you can either produce a presentation PowerPoint slides um, or infographic poster. So I give you kelonggaran. Okay, what kind of material that you want to produce. But as long as there are presentation material. Okay, so you have to upload your video in your own Google Drive or YouTube account, and then and also please make sure that the link is not private, okay, so that I can access the video, okay, to evaluate your presentation. And same as 402, please, when you record yourself, um, you can record like this, okay, or if you want to use Canva, okay, any means is possible. Okay, but please make sure there are video of you. Okay, don't just give me video containing only your voice. Okay? And the deadline also the same on the 24th of June 2023 before 11:55. And rename your video to ISH403 Assignment 2 Group 1, 2, or 3. Right, so this is the rubric for the presentation. The criteria in the red box is evaluated individually. Okay, the presentation style, the critical thinking, and also ethics and professionalism. So please wear formal attire or smart casual, because it will affect your ethics and professionalism criteria mark. Okay, don't especially for guys, okay, don't just wear t-shirt, collared t-shirt is okay, but t-shirt tak bercollar is very informal and not professional. Okay, and then for teamwork and creativity will be evaluated in groups. Okay. Right, that's all for the assignment briefing. Thank you very much. If you have any question, please ask me right away. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.